going to start by removing this 10mm bolt here and this one right here. We switched over to a ratchet wrench here to make things a little bit easier. On the back side of the coolant reservoir, there's a 13mm bolt down in the back. I want to go ahead and get that now. Once we get this last bolt here released from behind the airbox unit here, we're going to go ahead and pull that reservoir unit out. One of the overflow hoses here for the radiator is held in by this little retainer clip. I'm just going to use a little pick, pop that open so we can go ahead and release the hose. And pull that out. And I'm going to continue that for a couple more of these clips to give us more ability to have some flexibility. So we'll go ahead and slide the overflow hose over and grab the tank. Should be able to lift that up. On the back side of the windshield washer pump reservoir, there is a connector. Lift up on this tab. I'm just going to work that connector off. And that'll allow us to bring this up and set it aside. Now, using some pry tools here, I want to go ahead and work the pump out of the tank, but also has a vertical tap upward, so I want to be careful with that. Okay, take the pump off. Go ahead and pop the 90-degree unit off of the pump. And if we have the grommet here, ours is a stationary unit. If you have a replacement grommet, just use a plastic pry tool to pop this out. But ours is good, so we're just going to go ahead and install the new pump. So you spread a little bit of glass cleaner around the plastic itself so it'll help slide into the grommet a little bit better. So slide that in. As we're working that in, I want to go ahead and we're going to snap in our little plastic clip on the top once we get that further in, like so. We'll go ahead and reinstall our 90-degree port. Now we'll install our electrical connector. Now I'm going to slowly lower our tank down in place. Make sure that we direct our overflow hose back down underneath. Then we're going to go ahead and line up our rubber grommet underneath. Want to get our 13mm bolt started in the back. Get our side bolt lined up over here. Get the rear bolt lined up on the back over here. I'm going to go ahead and get these all started by hand. Then we'll go ahead and snug these down. install our coolant hose here.